Welcome to BrewFix, where coffee meets craftsmanship. If your grinder suddenly sounds wrong, won't grind consistently, produces uneven shots, or feels off, no matter how much you adjust it, this video is for you. After repairing and aligning countless coffee grinders, I can tell you something most people don't realize. Many grinder problems aren't caused by broken parts. They're caused by misalignment, buildup, or mechanical drift. And today, I'm showing you how one tiny tool can fix most grinder issues in about 2 minutes, without replacing parts or tearing the grinder apart. Why grinders fail more often than people think. Most grinders don't fail catastrophically. They degrade slowly. Burrs drift out of alignment. Adjustment threads clog with coffee fines. Carrier plates shift under load, and suddenly your espresso tastes bitter, hollow, or inconsistent. People blame the beans, the machine, or the recipe, when the real issue is mechanical precision. From a technician's perspective, grinders are precision tools that suffer when small tolerances are ignored. Fixing them doesn't always require a full rebuild. It often starts with correcting alignment and removing resistance where it shouldn't exist. The tiny tool that changes everything. The tool I'm talking about isn't expensive, electronic, or complicated. It's a simple precision tool that lets you clean, free, or realign critical grinder components quickly, especially adjustment collars, burr carriers, and contact points. In many cases, this tool restores smooth movement, accurate grind changes, and consistent particle distribution almost immediately. What makes it powerful isn't its size, it's where and how it's used. When applied correctly, it eliminates friction, binding, and misalignment that cause most grinder problems. How this fix works in under 2 minutes. Here's why this works so fast. You're addressing the root cause instead of symptoms. In under 2 minutes, you can clear pack coffee fines from adjustment threads, restore smooth collar movement, realign burr carriers, or remove debris that causes uneven grinding. Once friction is gone and alignment improves, grind consistency stabilizes instantly. From that point on, dialing an espresso becomes easier, shots taste cleaner, and your grinder behaves predictably again, without replacing burrs or recalibrating endlessly. What problems this tool fixes? This tiny tool can fix grinders that won't adjust smoothly, drift out of grind setting, produce inconsistent shots, sound louder or rougher than usual, suddenly grind finer or coarser on their own, feel stuck or gritty when adjusting. I've used this same method on home grinders, cafe grinders, and commercial setups, and the result is always the same. Smoother operation, tighter grind consistency, and better coffee flavor almost immediately. Why most people never try this? Most people don't fix grinders because they assume it's complicated, risky, or requires special training. In reality, it's not about advanced repairs. It's about understanding where grinders fail first. Coffee fines maigra everywhere. Heat causes expansion. Vibration causes drift. This tiny tool lets you correct those issues before they turn into expensive problems. Technicians rely on simple tools like this because they work fast and solve real mechanical issues, not just cosmetic ones. The flavor difference after the fix. Once a grinder is corrected, flavor improves immediately. Shots extract more evenly, bitterness fades, sweetness becomes clearer, and dialing and stops feeling like guesswork. Many people think they need new burrs or a new grinder, but after this fix, they realize the grinder was capable all along. It just needed mechanical clarity restored. Most grinder problems don't need replacement parts. They need precision restored. At BrewFix, I document real grinder repairs, alignment fixes, and diagnostic shortcuts that help coffee lovers, baristas, and technicians stop guessing and start fixing machines properly. If you want grinders that behave consistently, espresso that tastes right, and tools that actually solve problems, you're in the right place.